Hello and welcome. You are looking at the email newsletters filter for our Explore workflow ideas. And you'll notice that the most popular autoresponder applications are here. It's quite possible that you may have a web application that only uses AWeber, for example, or only uses MailChimp, or only integrates with GetResponse. The problem would be your autoresponder list may be in a different web application. Having your web application add to AWeber is going to be fine. However, you want to get the person into GetResponse. So what would you do? One thing we would do is we would start by looking at the applications for AWeber. And then we would sort for GetResponse. And what you'll see is that we have a Zap available where an AWeber subscriber can be turned into a GetResponse subscriber. So we're going to click Use this Zap. Now in order to use this Zap, we're going to need an active AWeber account and an active GetResponse account. If you have those, then you would then click Create this Zap. Now the triggering action will be when someone is added to an AWeber list. And this will happen when the web application you're using automatically adds the person to your AWeber list. Then we want that person, of course, moved over to our GetResponse list. Going to click Continue. What we're now going to need to do is to connect an AWeber account. Now, AWeber will ask for our permission to work with Zapier. So we're going to fill the dialog boxes with login and password, and then we're going to click Allow Access. Once our account is authenticated with Zapier, we can then click Test. And then we can click Save and Continue. Now, one of the things you'll notice from this screen is that we can use multiple AWeber accounts and connect them to our Zapier account, so that if you want to move someone from a second or third account from AWeber, you can actually do that also. So what we're going to do now is we're going to pick one of the accounts that we're going to be using, and this will be easy since we've only connected one. We're then going to select a list. Once we've done that, we're then going to click Save and Continue. Assuming we already have at least one subscriber in the AWeber account we're using, we're going to click Fetch and Continue. Zapier will verify our test. We're then going to click Continue. And now we're going to create the new connection in GetResponse. Now we have one account connected, so we're going to click Save and Continue. And we're going to make sure that we understand how the information is going to be brought over, email address and name. We're then going to choose the campaign that we want to have someone added to in GetResponse. Once we've done that, we're then going to click Continue. We now have our Zap set up. We're now going to click Send Test to GetResponse. We're now going to click Finish. And now that our Zap is on, we're going to take a look at it on our dashboard. And we can verify that it is now working. And once we verify our emails, we now have a working application where as soon as someone is added to AWeber, they will also be added to GetResponse at the same time. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.